Hi everybody, in this video we will see what are the new features that we will find in manufacturing version 13.1. So in the presentation I'd like to highlight two different main features, and then we will just review the other ones. So the first one is the possibility to continue consumption on manufacturing order that dispose of work order. So let's see how to realize that. So first, you have to create a manufacturing order with some work orders. Once you are in the tablet view of the work order, you can click on the button on the upper left case to make a list appear, a list of actions. There you will be able to add components. After that, you will be able to finish your work order and then see the final result of on your manufacturing order. So here in the V13.1, what we are going to do is that we are going to create here a manufacturing order. Let's take one with several work orders. So here my table MTO, I mark it as to do. I'm planning it. Here my work orders are generated. I will just check availability, and here I begin with my work order. So when I will process it, I will be taken to the Can view, to the tablet view, and here in the drop down menu I can add some components. So here I will be able to go through all my products and add any product I want to my work order. So here I can add the product and the quantity, I add the components, and I'm validating, mark it as done. Here I will do the same for the other one. Take another product, I'm adding other components. Let's see if we have something. Yeah, let's put this one, 5 components, add it and validate it. I have to provide a serial number. Here is lot number, and I can going to create a new serial number for this. Here it is, and I can close my work order. And now when I go back to my manufacturing order that is in the state done, I will be able to see here that this my screw and my pedal beans that I added are directly in my work order. The other feature I'd like to show that seems interesting is the possibility to log activities when an exception occurs. So, for example, when you are in MTO and that you are going to cancel a purchase order, for example, and or cancel the manufacturing order to find information on your purchase order. So here you can see the workflow. So we are going to do that directly. So here I'm going to create a new bill of material, which is quite easy. I'm going to create here a product, finished product, which is storable. I'm going to create here a component 1, which is here in the inventory by make to order. I'm also going to set here a vendor for a price of 10. Save it. Create here a bill of material for my finished product. Add my component. Here, quantity 1, let's do something very simple. And here, when I'm going to create a manufacturing order for my finished product, say number 5, save, mark it as to do, check availability, I don't have anything, so I'm going to have here in my manufacturing order, it's not this one, it's this one. I see that I have my purchase that is correctly generated. When I'm going to here delete my manufacturing order, for example, here I'm going to cancel it. Automatically on my purchase, I can see here that I have a little logo that says that this record as an exception activity, and here I'm generating directly an exception on my purchase order that says that my manufacturing order has been cancelled, and so I should do an exception for this purchase order. This will be the same if I have another bill of material slightly different. So here, if I'm creating a new bill of material, so I will have my finished product 1. I will have here, I'm going to create here my sub component 1. Okay, that is going to be in manufacturer make to order. Yeah. I'm going to create here a raw material 1, which is on, well, just buy here. That's not what interests us the most. I'm going to create here a new bill of material for my finished product 1 with my subcomponent. Okay. And I'm going to create here a bit of material for my subcomponent with my raw material 1. Okay, so now I'm just going to check my configuration to be sure that this is in yes, in manufacture make to order, and I'm going to put here in my raw material some quantity, update the quantity of this, WH stock on hand quantity 100. Okay, now I'm going to generate a manufacturing order for my finished product. So I'm generating here for my subcomponent, mark as to do. So here automatically I generated the manufacturing order for my subcomponent, but I'm going to cancel it. And here I can see on my list of manufacturing order that the information propagated to my main manufacturing order, and so I have an exception with all the information I need. Okay, so that was for the 2 big main features that will arrive with 13.1. What we can have of other features is that on the mobile version of Odoo, you will have the Kanban view by default. You will have here the number 2 and number 3 that we have seen, and here they moved a little bit the error message in the process once you are producing articles and goods with serial number in order to block you, but a little bit earlier than they had before. So thank you very much, and don't hesitate if you have any questions or any concern regarding those 2 features, you can come by and see me. Thank you. Bye.